So we're in the search for the cactus nopales, or the prickly pear cactus. I'm really just dreaming of these cactus fries. I don't know why. Ever since I've been out here in the desert and I've been on the search for them, I haven't come up with them yet. I know they're here. I mean, they're in the desert. I just can't wait to bite into one of those cactus fries, you know? When you have a dream like that, you can't give up on it. It's so hot out here. I'm sweating profusely. I don't know if I'm gonna find this cactus nopales. Prickly pear cactus that's prickly because it's prickly. And it looks like a pear. I'm not sure. Oh. I have to though. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh. Even my own sweat tastes good. Oh, so hot. Oh, so hot. Oh. 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 No. Oh. So, what? What's the number? What's the number? Nobody knows numbers anymore. Hey, Mom. Yeah. Do you still have that cactus in the backyard? Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll come, I'll use that one. Yeah, I'll use that one. That works. I'll be home in 10. Okay, there it is. Ah, finally found it. Okay, so here we are. Here's the Cactus nopales, also known as the prickly pear because of the way that it is. So these kind, generous folks allowed me to come in.
Your mother-in-law?
Now, the prickly pear can be found in most deserty areas if you know what you're looking for. So we got a prickly pear here. So we're going to make this thing into some cactus fries. There's some really good benefits to a prickly pear cactus. There's lots of good nutritional value that this thing has. But we're probably going to ruin all of that once we make these fries. So, yeah, forget about that. We're just going to have some delicious cactus fries. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and harvest this one. I've been looking at them. This one looks pretty good. You're going to want to use some tongs or something to kind of hold on to this. You don't want this prickly pear to get you. And we'll just cut her down here. Okay, there's our prickly pear cactus. That's a nice little pad there. Okay, so I'll go show you. Ow! I've got little pricklies in me. Anyways, be very careful. Let's go ahead and process this thing and I'll show you guys what we need to do now. Okay, so we got our prickly pear here. What we need to do is we need to just trim off all of these pricklies. That's what you call them. So we'll clean that up real quick. I've got some water going so that we can get it to a boil so it'll be ready when this thing's ready. All right, so what we do is we just take a knife and we just kind of take it and scrape these off. We want to scrape all of them off. I want to get the eye out of there too. Oops, kind of messing it up a little bit. That's okay, it's gonna be French fries. Just keep going until you get all of them off there. This isn't going to be pretty, but it's going to be something. And I've never done this before, so don't take this to be the proper way of doing anything. It's just what I've seen. Okay, so what I've been doing is I've just been carving out these little eyes. I don't know if it's the best way to do it, but it's doing the job. Just kind of working them out of there. I want to make sure there is nothing in this that's going to make me sick. I've never done this before. I don't want to hurt myself. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to cut off the edges here, and then we're going to get it into the boiling pot and blanch it. We'll give it a nice little rinse real quick, and then I'm going to cut it down a little bit, and then we'll get it in the water. Make sure everything's off of there. Oh, cactus fries. This will be interesting. Go ahead and add some salt to this. I don't know how much. I'm just going to put some in there. Go ahead and cover it up for about 2 minutes. I've got so many of those little stickers in my fingers. Be careful. Or maybe not even do this. It's not bad either. Okay, I think those two are done. We'll pull them out and get the other one in there. We're gonna go ahead and get our little egg wash going here. Okay, those two are ready now. Go ahead and put them out here and let them sit and cool down before we cut them into little French fries. All right, we're gonna be deep frying these in some peanut oil. Let's get that in the pan. We'll add that to the pan, get that nice and hot, and then we'll throw in our cactus fries when they're ready. These ones are cooled down, so we're just gonna cut them into little strips, just like French fries. All right, here we go. There's them cactus fries. Oh, wow. Yeah, this is a new one for me. These things are very sticky and kind of, yeah, it's very strange. This is gonna be interesting. I hope I don't die. All right, let's get them in the batter and then into the oil, fry them up. Okay, so I've got some flour here, and with that flour, what I'm gonna do is add some spices to it. I've got some chili powder. Go ahead and throw that in. We've got some cayenne pepper. That go in there. Onion powder. And some garlic powder. We'll mix that all up. Okay, so there's our flour mixture. And then what we're going to do is we're going to bread them with some panko breadcrumbs. Okay, here we go. We're going to just go like this. Dip it in the egg. Dip it in the flour. Dip it in the egg again. And then into the breadcrumbs. All right, there's our first one. We'll set that here. We'll make a bunch of them. All right, there they are. All breaded up and everything, ready to go. They look good and they smell good, but I don't know if they'll taste good. Only one way to find out. All right, let's get that in there. It's getting dark fast. Hopefully this thing's ready to go. All right, yeah. Frying it up. They don't look too bad, really. I mean, they look good. I just hope they taste good. We'll finish up frying the last of these and we'll give them a try. Okay, well, it got dark fast, really fast. Once that sun went over them hills, it was like pitch black out there and I had no lights. So I had to get somewhere a little bit brighter. There we go, cactus fries. Look at those things. Kind of look like fish sticks or something. They look and smell good, but I don't know how they're going to taste. Only one way to find out. All right, here we go. Cactus fry down the hatch. Wow, that was really, really chewy and really, really tough. I would have to say it's not very good. The breading is good, but the cactus itself is not very good. I don't know if it's because it's just a bad cactus. I don't know. Let me get, if you guys eat this, please let me know down below what you guys do or what you look for. I believe that that cactus might have been a little old, hence the toughness. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. That's not very good. Oh, I know what it's missing. Ketchup. That'll probably do. That'll probably do. I just thought you'd be better than this. I had hopes that you would just perform like you were meant to perform. Whoa, like why the hard exterior? Like, I don't understand. You have potential. I know it hurts, but maybe just someday this will be your warm-up. Here, I've got something for you. I hear this can help.